courgette, gioricode, jotticote, eggplante. On the scale, the courgette weighs 0 kilograms. This is because a courgette is 98% water and must be measured in fluid ounces. 2.11.9 fluid ounces. Write that down. On a bed of horse pajama mushrooms, gently place your courgette and cut it into thirds. Today we'll use this third. The remaining third is put back on the scale for later use. Oh, not courgette. We take off the bun and we gently massage the mushroom flavour so it permeates the skin of the courgette, rotating it thusly and thusly, with the courgette proudly facing sternwards. We cut it in twain. Here we can see, due to the size of the courgette, we have quite some meaty innards. So we're going to de-seed this courgette. We start by making a cut down towards the centre of the courgette and then just kind of use brute force to kind of rip that away. Because our other hand's holding a telephone and we can't get that involved. With the courgette firmly unspaffed, it's time to chop into dice. It's loud if you do it right. With the courgette firmly diced and the flavours of the mushroom well with that, it's now time to discard this into our pan of burnt mushrooms. My phone cost me £400. Marvellous. Okay, once we've cleaned our chopping board, it's time to chop the tofu. I prefer to do this by hand. Cleanly sliced slicicles. Look at that, it's so appetizing. Just like our country's great shorelines, they erode into dinner. Now's the time we can be really creative and add all of our favourite seasonings. I'm going to add your favourite seasoning, which is mixed herbs. Now we give it a stir. That's looking good. It's time to absolutely dunk on it with some passata. And the liquid runoff from some creamy soft cheese. And the soft cheese. You know I've got to hit my protein goals. A lot of you have stopped watching the video by now, but for those of you remaining, I'm going to give it a stir. That's a good classic stir. Culinary Matisse right here. Now serve in a dish with your choice of spaghetti, farfalle or broccocelli, topped with our delicious courgette cream, topped with a delicious miniature grater full of 3 different types of cheese. Beautiful. Now with our cleanest cutlery, we're going to have a nice big taste. That's just a bit of a stir. Let's get all the flavour. Slurp. That's good.